Sat Shri Akal, Namaste, good evening everyone. I'm Jaspreet Singh representing Punjabi Chamber of Commerce's Global Youth Squad. And today's session on peer pressure is the second in the line of our mental health series of workshops. Our first workshop was on Ikigai and self-awareness, and we hope you liked it. Or if you haven't came across it, you can check it on Punjabi Chamber of Commerce's YouTube channel or the Facebook page. Before beginning, little bit about the chamber. PCC is non-profit chamber of commerce and it's dedicated to help Punjabi businesses and professionals across the world. It started in 2017, just 4 years before, and we have truly become global with 17 chapters and in 5 countries, and we continue to grow. Our endeavor has been to facilitate network forum with a focus on capital and capacity building. And our objective is to create a legacy for the next generation to grow, build, and succeed together. And that's what Punjabi community is about, right? And there's something that is core to our organization, which is to remain non-religious and non-political. We believe in diversity and inclusion. We are funded by donations, and during the first flag of our current campaign, we have raised $100,000. And these funds have been utilized to distribute 100 oxygen concentrators in India, Punjab region. Not only that, we have partnered with Rotary International to set up 2 oxygen plants in Manali and Jalandhar. In addition, we provide resources, networking opportunities, group discounts and benefits, advocacy on behalf of our members, and access to informative sessions like this one. And Global Youth Squad is the youth wing of PCC with clear vision of making remarkable history by empowering the future custodians, that is the young. It is led and managed by enthusiastic and high-spirited youngsters, just like us. And they are trained by the squad itself by providing global networking, mentorships, intern opportunities, and professional training sessions. And yes, this is us. So without further ado, let me introduce you to Dr. Rajeshwari Datta, who is the executive director at PCC. She's an expert on women's justice and law with a doctorate from IIT Delhi. She has led international projects in many Asian countries. And we are so privileged to have you at PCC, ma'am. और एक चीज और, आपके लिए एक शेर भी है, कद बड़ा नहीं होता एड़ियां उठाने से, कद बड़ा नहीं होता एड़ियां उठाने से, ऊंचाइयां तो हासिल होती हैं सर झुकाने से. And I've not seen a more humble person than you are, ma'am. So with that, over to you.
I'm so humbled and I'm so honored and I'm so overwhelmed. The last 2 lines for me are beautiful ones. It has just touched me, Believe me, you said and it touched me. Thank you so much. A very warm welcome to all of you. And before we began this session, we could see so many beautiful, fresh faces all across the screen. And it was such a wonderful experience to see all of you together, including me, in that pause moment. And then the silence would break, we would speak, and then again, we will just remain, all of us, we will remain calm. And that is the strength of being together, and that is the strength of the community that we stand for. Thank you so much, Jaspreet, for this wonderful introduction. Now today it is indeed an honor for all of us to be here to hear a very young dynamic team from IBS talking about peer pressure. It can be converted into something called an opportunity. Now, I thought I'll also contribute my 2 cents on what I understand by peer pressure. As we all know, we talk about acceptance and validation, and this is something that we all yearn for. And believe me, it's not confined to the younger generation. It is there across all the age group. across all category, across all, what do you call that, across all segments. So this is something that we all yearn for. And there is a big, when we say yes to everything around us, but there is a big no. There is a conflict that is there inside us, all of us. So how much to conform to those societal norms that we are not accepting wholeheartedly, we are questioning that, but at the same time there is so much of pressure around us, which we either call it a peer pressure or societal pressure. We are giving ourselves into it, but there is something that is that the no part definitely wants to negotiate between the yes that we have said to our peer, but then the no definitely is more overpowering. It just tries to question the yes that we have just been able to say to a particular norm. Now for this, and there was also something called uh, courage. So I thought I'll just identify 5 C's. There are just 5 C's that I thought I should just talk about when we talk about peer pressure, because the group is there, and we have a very young, dynamic mentor with us who would be talking about it, who has actually led and who has actually guided the entire team to talk about peer pressure. So I am not an expert on that, but I thought there are 4 or 5 C's that we should definitely look at it. A, the conviction, which is very important. The choices that we make in our lives is also very important. Conformity to our own inner self. There is a conformity, but not to the societal pressure, but to the inner self that is saying otherwise. Communication is also very important. What we feel, whether we are able to communicate our choices, our communication, our conviction is also very important. Now, the peer pressure, the last part, which I thought I would just read it from the notes that is created here, is how do we handle peer pressure? To my understanding, can we just think of converting this peer pressure into a peer support ecosystem? Can we think about it? Yes, there are many theories, there are people, there are practices, and I'm sure the team today is going to talk a little bit about that as well. Now, as an ending note, I would like to just read out 2 lines from this great poet, Robert Frost. He says, 2 roads diverged in a wood, 2 roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Thank you so much for this. And with this, it is indeed an honor and privilege for me to welcome Dr. Pooja Vijay Sukhija. Pooja ma'am, greetings, and thank you so much for being there as a torchbearer, as somebody, you're the force. So I thought I would read out from the screen. People are there to read it by themselves, but I'll talk a little bit more about you. While you are an academic advisor, a platform skills trainer, and a consultant with many agencies, many institutions, you are also the board of director with Punjabi Chamber of Commerce, and we are indeed honored to have you as one of those very enthusiastic board of directors. And you also head and mentor the Global Youth Squad, and you have been the driving force. It's your vision, and we can see that it is getting executed methodically with a lot of energy, and we all are improving. As a unit, we all are improving. You are definitely an academic advisor to and an educationist to many of the higher education institutions. And today we would be able to see your students performing on the peer pressure. So it is very excited to do that. And as an influencer and as a mentor to the youth, you always believe that the power of I can and I will make a difference. And you have made a difference by bridging the academic industry, the academia industry gap. What does the academia impart, and what is the need for the industry? So there is a gap, and that's where people like you are instrumental. So be there, help us, guide us, so that there is always a coordinated, um, link between academia and industry through your soft skill training and placement of the youth. You are armed with 2 doctorates and being a gold medalist. I am also a proud gold medalist from Delhi University, but 2 doctorates, yes, I would love to follow you. And you have been able to add value to both the corporate and the education space for the past 3 decades with equal commitment and equal outcome, set of outcomes. You are a passionate environmental advocate, and you're also the founding director of the NGO OSS. But I met you at Punjabi Chamber of Commerce as one of the board of directors, and I welcome you. Greetings. Thank you so much, ma'am. Over to you. Yes.
Thank you so much, Dr. Kumar ma'am. That was really so beautifully explained. And good evening to everyone present here, whether you have come to us from India or from any of the 7 continents. And किसी भी प्रोग्राम की जान होती है उसका कंटेंट और हल्का सा हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड. तो चलिए करते हैं गुफ्तगू और इस प्रोग्राम को पूजा मैम के साथ करते हैं शुरू. पूजा मैम, आपके चंद शब्द के साथ हम ये प्रोग्राम शुरू करना चाहेंगे.
Thank you very much, Grace, and thank you, Kumar ma'am, for that wonderful introduction. I'm very proud to be a part of PCC myself. दोस्ती नाम है सुख दुख की कहानी का. दोस्ती नाम है सुख दुख की कहानी का. दोस्ती तो राज है सदा मुस्कुराने का. ये कोई पल भर की पहचान नहीं, दोस्ती तो वादा है उम्र भर साथ निभाने का. तो आज का जो प्रोग्राम है पीयर वर्कशॉप, पीयर सपोर्ट, ये दोस्ती का ही तो बेस है जो हमें या तो आगे ले जाती है या पीछे घसीट के जाती है. बट आज हमारी आईबीएस की वेरी वेरी होनहार टीम ये बताने वाली है कि हम ये पीयर सपोर्ट को कैसे बिग बना सकते हैं.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And to be very honest, it is really an honor for us to be on the Punjabi Chamber of Commerce platform and share the stage with you. And ma'am, truth be told, it is really, as the youth of today, we care deeply about the issues that the youth face and we want to help our peers. And it's just so happened that we were given an opportunity to be on this platform, and it's the best thing we could have asked for. So, ma'am, we have heard a lot of things about the PCC. But we are very curious to know how you got connected with this platform, because you're not even a Punjabi.
Yes, I'm not even a Punjabi, Grace, but my roots, my ancestors are from Amritsar, and we really revere the Harmandir Sahib, and I have a lot of love for the Punjabi community. So I think ancestrally मैं खुद भी कभी पंजाबी रही होंगी. But how I came to Punjabi Chamber of Commerce was very simple. What happened was there was this Chandigarh chapter launch, Grace. And in this launch, I heard the founders. And when I heard the founders, I saw their intent. They had lovely intent. And they had 2 things that they had in mind: the youth and the global networking. And both of them are my very close subjects to my heart. In fact, I breathe, my bone, blood, marrow is all about youth and global networking. So that's how I got associated with Punjabi Chamber of Commerce.
Wow, ma'am, that's incredible. We are already learning so many things about PCC and about youth. So, ma'am, you know, they often say that in youth, we learn, just like we learned right now. And in age, we understand. So, ma'am, would you share your understanding and your experiences with us that you've had with the PCC?
So with Punjabi Chamber of Commerce, one of the best experiences that I had was when I brought up this idea of having a global youth squad. The founders were very kind. They immediately said, ma'am, आप जो करना चाहती हैं, आपका जो vision है, उसको करिए. So I started with IBS batch only, another IBS batch. We had a pilot project on if I were the youth, what would I do? And that was a hit. The youth came up with so many ideas. So what to answer the question very succinctly, what I like about PCC is they are prompt in their thought processes of decision makings.
Wow, ma'am, that's so incredible. This sounds like a wonderful journey. So, ma'am, anyone who knows you, the next question is very interesting for them, because we all know that you're a big fan of quotes and phrases. So, ma'am, if you had to describe the GYS using just one phrase, how would you do it?
वो मेरा favorite ही है, Grace. स्वामी विवेकानंद बहुत साल पहले कह गए, give me 100 men and women with spine and I will change the nation. So GYS is going to produce people with spine. The 5 C's that Dr. Kumar talked about, अगर वो 5 C's हमारे youth में हैं, तो हमारा nation क्या, हमारा globe बहुत आगे जाने वाला है.
Oh. Ma'am, the PCC and the GYS sound like such brilliant platforms. And especially, ma'am, the GYS sounds like a very specific, very beautiful platform for the youth to deliberate upon issues that really matter to the youth. And we need to talk about it. So, ma'am, I want to ask you, what do you think about the issues that the youth face? What do you think needs to be spoken about the youth, especially during the pandemic?
ग्रेस, मैं इसका जवाब ही नहीं दूंगी. उसका कारण क्या है कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यूथ ही सारे इश्यूज भी निकालेगी. और इसका हम एक, वी हैव सीन वन ऑफ दिस ग्लिम्स इन दैट इफ आई वर द यूथ, द काइंड ऑफ इश्यूज दैट दो स्टूडेंट्स ब्रॉट अप, द 10 ग्रुप्स, अगर हम उसी को संभालते रहे तो भी हमें बहुत सारा, we need years and years to sort all those issues. And in my view, you guys are the future prime ministers, presidents, mantris, whatever you call it, IAS officers. So you guys are going to be in power. You will select the issues, you will select the solutions, and you will change this world.
Wow, ma'am, that was a brilliant answer. And I especially liked how you mentioned that we as the youth need to come up with the issues also ourselves and the solutions also ourselves. And ma'am, I think the issue that we are discussing today, peer pressure positivity, was also something that the youth in our team, the GYS and the IBS team, came up with it together. And we are here to discuss upon it. So let us call Lucky Jha, and she's my friend. I would love to hear her views about the same.
Thank you.
Thank you, Grace. So, पियर के पीछे मत भाग बंदे, पियर बड़ा बलिदान है. पियर के पीछे मत भाग बंदे, पियर बड़ा बलिदान है. खुद को खोकर दूसरों सा बनना, ये भी क्या कोई बात है. पियर पियर के चक्कर में लोग भूल जाते अपना काम है. कुछ ऐसा कर और अलग बन जा, ताकि लोग जाने क्या तेरा नाम है.
वाह लकी वाह, क्या तेरा नाम है और क्या हमारे वर्कशॉप का नाम है, peer pressure positivity. You could not have spoken truer words, and that was really wonderful and apt opening for our discussion today. We should never all be courageous enough to stand for the peer pressure when we do not approve for the choices being forced upon us, because peer pressure can make you or mar you. And quite often we don't really realize how easily we are influenced by peer pressure, because it seems like very harmful for us. But does that really always be negative only? It can be positive, maybe or maybe not. But history is better teacher than us. So perhaps we should look at the example from the past to understand how exactly peer pressure works. Let us see a glimpse at this through a segment that called Made or Marred.
Made or marred, कितनी सच बात है ना. People either inspire you or they drain you. So choose wisely. अरे दीवानो,
मुझे पहचानो,
कहाँ से आए,
हम है कौन.
Many individuals in the past has already made these choices, but let us understand if these choices were right or they were wrong. But wait, we don't make it intent so easy for you. चलो तो बुलाते हैं ऐश्वर्या को और समझते हैं कि ये कैरेक्टर्स थे कौन. Over to you, ऐश्वर्या.
Thank you, Maitri. Now, starting with the first one. इस आदमी को किसी के इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत नहीं है. Just by looking at these images may fill a lot of hearts with anger and condemnation. What is his name?
Hitler.
Adolf
That's
Hitler.
right. Absolutely right. Adolf Hitler. कौन था वो? One of the most reviled figures of history. Why? क्या किया उसने? He
He was responsible for the Holocaust and for the Second World War. But it is difficult to imagine कि एक छोटा सा बच्चा इतनी extreme ideologies के path पे कैसे पहुंच गया. Let's look at where exactly things started to go wrong. He was born on April 20, 1889 in Braunau am Inn, a small Austrian town where he spent most of his childhood struggling in school and obviously eventually dropped out. Soon after the death of both of his parents, कुछ सालों बाद he became lonely and isolated. इस दौरान he found a companion, दोस्त और peer in books. He became a voracious reader and became particularly interested in anti-Semitic or anti-Jew books, जैसे कि पॉल डी लगाडे के जर्मन एसेस, जिन्होंने हिटलर के ओपिनियंस को एक अलग ही दिशा दे दी. Basically set him up on the path for destruction. Soon after, Hitler became interested in politics during his years in Vienna and developed many ideas that would shape Nazi ideology. Hitler को बहुत लगाव हो गया था with the idea of race and the idea of ethnic purity. He thought that he is one supreme leader, या उनकी भाषा में कहें तो Führer. That is where it all started. उसे गाइड करने के बजाय उसके कलीग्स और उसकी पार्टी उसे सपोर्ट करने लगे. A lot of people started following his footsteps and commands. एक इंसान और सारी दुनिया को चक्कर गिन्नी बना दिया. He was impacted by books, but people were impacted by him. And then through peer pressure, we know the result. So many deaths of Jews, nearly 6 billion. Whenever I recall this, it breaks my heart. But हर peer pressure का impact ऐसा नहीं होता. एक peer pressure का different impact आइए सुनते हैं मिस मनाली से.
थैंक यू ऐश्वर्या. आओ सुनाऊं तुमको एक इंसान की कहानी जिसको देते रहे हम सलामी. Once upon a time there lived a great man known for his knowledge and spirit. उन्हें कोई शब्दों में बयां नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन फिर भी कोशिश की गई और उनकी पहचान हुई इस नेम से, द मिसाइल मैन. The name is well deserved for his contribution to the space and defense. Long did he live and led our nation with pride, and as the 11th president. So long did he live and led our nation with pride, and as the 11th president for these people he did abide. Can you guess his name?
APJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Yes, that is right. He was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. As a child, what was he known for? His average grades, but had a burning desire to learn. But उन्हें इतना motivation आया कहाँ से? To work so hard and become a man beyond what words could describe. It was from the Madras Institute of Technology where he came across Father Chinnadurai, जो थे बड़े ही strict, who told Kalam, finish the project in 3 days or be out. Kalam worked hard, succeeded and made everyone proud. जब उनसे पूछा गया, उन्होंने अपने टीचर का जिक्र किया. That teachers are the best. That we saw that Father Chinnadurai saw potential in Kalam and he blossomed only because of his mentorship. So अब आपने ये कहानी तो सुन ली, जिससे हमें ये पता चल गया that Father Chinnadurai was a peer who saw potential in Kalam. Now tell me, what do you think? Is it positive or negative when it comes to the impact of peers? It is positive. So let us see who else we have here and सुनते हैं उनकी कहानी निधि से.
Thank you, Manali. Baby, baby, baby. Oh,
Why are you creating so much ruckus?
I was remembering my school days because I used to listen his songs a lot. He was a young boy who became an extremely famous singer at a very young age. Can you guess who I'm talking about?
Justin Bieber.
Exactly. I'm talking about none other than Justin Bieber. The star who was born at the tender age of 13 went from being a small town boy to being praised left and right by the world, with millions saying how much they loved him. At 18, Bieber had millions in bank, access to whatever he wanted. But no skills in real ball. But 19, he admitted to being pretty heavy drugs and abusing the relationship he was in. Even he was down on his knee, he found a way back up. Can anyone guess who helped him? Let me tell you, it was religious belief and a recent marriage to Halle Belvin. If the words are to be believed, it was a closest peer, Halle Belvin, and the peer he discovered when he began to believe in God and the people he surrounded himself with. Now he is navigating the best season of his life, marriage, which is in own word is amazing, crazy, and new responsibility. You learn patience, trust, commitment, kindness, humility, all other things which makes a person a good man. In March, he wrote a post about how he struggled mentally and decided to take a break from the music industry. He concluded his latest post by saying, all this is even when the odds are against you. Keep fighting. Jesus loves you. Be kind today. Be bold today. And love people today. Not by the standards, but by the God's perfect love. This is how much a peer pressure is capable of impacting someone's life. Don't underestimate it. Another person you should not underestimate will be explained by Mahima.
थैंक यू सो मच निधि। हमने जस्टिन बीबर की कहानी तो सुन ली, तो चलो करते हैं उस इंसान का जिक्र जो बन गया मॉन्क से एंटरप्रेन्योर। आई एम श्योर यू गाइस नो हिज नेम। He was a monk at 22, a job seeker at 25, and a corporate guru at 33. He was all over the social media for whenever you are feeling having a bad day or feeling low, you can always go on to it for advice or motivation. Yes, I'm talking about the social media fame, the social media sensation. Can you guys guess his name?
Jay Shetty.
Jay Shetty.
Absolutely right. I'm talking about none other than Jay Shetty. He grew up in London as a British Indian and his life was pretty normal. While at a business school, he was inspired by his entrepreneurs and CEOs. But one incident and it changed it all. When a monk came to speak at his university, Jay decided to follow the same path. The monk was the peer who Jay Shetty was influenced by. He spent every other summer in India determined to find the balance between old books and new science. पुस्तक है आपका पहला दोस्त, हमेशा रहो इसके क्लोज। ये है जरिया जिंदगी बनाने का और अपनी जिंदगी के पहिए को आगे बढ़ाने का। मिलती है हमें इनसे प्रेरणा, तो चलिए सीखते हैं जय शेट्टी से कैसे लेनी चाहिए ये प्रेरणा। Books, books, and books. Once again, books show themselves as men's greatest and truest peers and influencers. 2 years down the line, Shetty is today one of the most known names on web. He hit 2 billion views in 18 months. Now, we have seen an influencer through social media. Social media के पहले भी कोई था जिसने लोगों को influence करा था. So, let's have a look at it. Grace would like to shed some light on that. Over to you, Grace.
Thank you, Mahima. So, hi everyone. Now, I would be imitating someone for you, and I want you to guess who I am imitating. So, here goes. I am the face of the anti-apartheid rebellion of South Africa. I willingly went to jail and suffered to ensure racial equality and freedom for my people. I was also the president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. Can you guess my name?
Nelson Mandela.
Yes, you are absolutely right. I am referring to Nelson Mandela. और ये नेल्सन मंडेला के खुद के शब्द हैं. I was not born with a hunger to be free. I was born free. But as a young man, this boyhood freedom I realized was an illusion and it was taken away from me. When Nelson Mandela was young, his father died and he went to live in the palace of Zongintaba in Mqhekezweni. यहाँ से ना कहानी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बन जाती है क्योंकि वहां पता है क्या हुआ. He got in touch with so many stories about the valor of his ancestors when they went to war against the freedom struggle.
and he was inspired to make his own contribution to the freedom of his people. So you can already see the impact of peer pressure in Nelson Mandela's life and how it is influencing him. नेल्सन मंडेला के दोस्तों ने हमेशा उसका साथ दिया. His friends like Oliver Tambo and Jovan Mbeki always stood by him and even joined him against the suppression of his people. And that is why Nelson Mandela could make a difference.
So this was the story of some extraordinary leaders who influenced us in some way or another. We saw through these stories of their lives that peer pressure is extremely impactful and can turn a person towards either the right path or the wrong one. But now, let's move from past towards the present. Let's talk about the experiences that will be more relatable in today's world. But before we deep dive into this topic, we would want you to remember that sometimes you have to go through the worst to experience the best. So be patient as we talk about negative impacts of peer pressure.
तो शुरू करते हैं ब्लू व्हेल चैलेंज, द हाइट ऑफ पीयर प्रेशर. From seeing blue whales on a Discovery Channel to getting addicted to the blue whale challenges, we actually all grew up. सबने तो ब्लू वेल चैलेंज के बारे में सुना ही होगा. It seemed perfectly harmless at first, with teens being challenged to do simple tasks during, like watching a horror movie at night. Oh, it's so scary for them, right? Which they then move on to the stand on the hill of the tower block. But the final challenge was demand that वो खुद को ही मार देते हैं. And to accomplish this, they are bullied and pressurized until they give in. When we think of peer pressure, that is probably the first thing that comes to the mind, along with other different depression topics like drugs, alcohol, and even Sushant Singh Rajput, our beloved Indian actors. एक्टर्स से मुझे याद आया, अपने बीच में एक आर्टिस्ट भी है जिसका नाम है लकी झा. Would like to speak about him to highlight the unobvious effect of peer pressure in his life.
Thank you, Moana. Peer pressure का प्रकोप हमने देखा सुशांत सिंह के केस में. आया था वो मुंबई सुपरस्टार बनने इस देश में. स्टार्ट हुई उसकी जर्नी पवित्र रिश्ता से मानव के भेष में. मिली पॉपुलैरिटी, मोटिवेटेड होकर रखा उसने पांव बॉलीवुड के जेल में. मूवीज बनी, फैंस बने, पैसे कमाए, हर कुछ मिला उसे उस फेज में. उसे लगा होगा सब अच्छा और वो बढ़ता गया इस रेस में. भूल गया वो खुद को और फंसता गया पीयर प्रेशर के कलेश में. फिर आया एक ऐसा फेज जब सब कुछ होते हुए भी वो फंस गया ऐसे फेज में. दोस्त, फैमिली, फॉलोअर्स के होते हुए भी कोई नहीं समझ पाया और ना वो बयां कर पाया है वो किस खेद में. सोचता रहा क्या करूं बट नहीं कुछ कर पाया इस नेपोटिज्म के केस में. उसे नहीं मिली वो इज्जत जो उसने सोचा था उसे मिलेगी बॉलीवुड के प्लेस में. सबको एक्टिंग करके सिखाया जिंदगी की क्या कीमत है अपनों के प्लेस में. एक दिन आया और उन्हें कुछ ना सूझा, दे दी उन्होंने जान ताकि वो इस पीयर प्रेशर से निकलकर चले जाएं परियों के देश में. सबने बोला मिलेगा उन्हें इंसाफ, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक और हर स्टेज में. बट एक टाइम बाद सब चुप बैठ गए और नहीं मिला उन्हें इंसाफ इस करप्शन से भरे देश में. पिता ने खो दिया अपना बेटा, बहनों ने खो दिया अपना भाई. किसी ने नहीं समझा उनका दुख क्योंकि हम नहीं थे उनके प्लेस में.
Our eyes are filled with tears as we remind you all that हम हार जीत, सक्सेस फेलियर में इतना उलझ गए हैं कि जिंदगी जीना भूल गए हैं. जिंदगी में अगर कुछ सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है तो वो है खुद जिंदगी. In other words, in a world full of cutthroat competition, we forget to live our lives. The most important thing in life is life itself. Through this, you have seen the negative sides of peer pressure, but just like a coin, it has two sides. We would like to depict this both sides through a small skit.
It's a weekend night and Rohan is out with his friends on a holiday at a hill station. It's raining outside and there's "Do not go further" sign on the far end of a slippery and stiff cliff.
Hey, look at that cliff. It smells of adventure. We must definitely climb it.
I know, right? Let's do that. But I don't think we have guts like Rohan.
Why this? I just saw a really cool restaurant 2 kilometers back. Let's go there.
Seriously, dude, climbing a mountain is so easy. Even my 4-year-old nephew can do that.
Why are you telling him to do this? It's not safe.
Stay out of it, dude. Oh, Rohan is scared. Little baby.
Come on, you can do it. Don't be such a crybaby.
Yeah. Who is asking you to jump off the cliff, by the way?
He can't, guys. He can't. He's a loser.
Come on, don't be such a spineless burger, Rohan.
He's a coward.
You start walking towards the cliff. Do you think this is where the story ends? What do you think will happen to Rohan? Stay tuned to find out.
Are you nuts? You could lose your life. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. Don't do this.
No, I have to prove them wrong. I am not a coward. It's a matter of my reputation.
Is your reputation worth your life?
No, my life is more important. You are right. Fine. If you say so, I won't.
So you can see from the small skit both the positive and the negative of the peer pressure. While the peer pressure could be responsible for Rohan's death, peer pressure was also responsible for saving his life. इससे मुझे एक गाना याद आया, यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीने निगाह हो तो क्या फिर बोलो जिंदगी में. इस किट से हमें ये तो समझ आ गया दैट अच्छे दोस्त वो होते हैं जो अच्छे वक्त में आपकी बजाते हैं, पर जब मुश्किल वक्त आता है वही छिछोरे आपके दरवाजे पे खड़े नजर आते हैं. In other words, good friends are those who pulls your legs in good times, but when it's your bad time, they are unwaveringly be on your side. ये हम छिछोरों को कहना था हमारे नजरिए से. कुछ और भी छिछोरे हैं जो आपसे कुछ कहना चाहते हैं वीडियो के जरिए से. So let's have a look.
Well, I need to see what my life is about as Martin Flounder figures it out. I got a friend. He said to meet him back behind the store. He opened his coat. He must have stolen 7 bulls or more. He says he steals all the time, and that it's barely a crime. And I don't know what to do, but he tells me I should do that too.
I've got a friend. She likes to take a smoke behind the school. She tilts her head. She exhales so calm and cool. I see her do it all the time. She makes it look sublime. Because she did it, and I don't know what to do. She tells me I should do that too.
We all have peers. A peer is someone close to us in age. A friend, cousin, neighbor, anyone we hang out with. All peers. When peers do certain stuff, we might feel a push to do the same. That is the pressure. Sometimes these things are dangerous, foolish, against the law, or maybe you just don't feel ready for it. I know it's not easy, 'cause peer pressure can really give you the squeeze. 'Cause I got a friend, he says his girl does much more than flirt, and that's not the end. He says she lets him feel inside her shirt. He says they make out all the time, and so it's always on my mind. He says he did it, and I'm not sure what to do when he asks me if I do that too. It's your life, your choices. Make sure your decisions are based on what you want, not your peers. They did it, and I'm not sure what to do. Doesn't mean I'm gonna do that too.
So, from this video and skit, we came to know, do whatever you want to do because decision आपका है. क्योंकि हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो ना हो. So, don't get influenced by your peers and live your life to the fullest. But speaking of living your life to the fullest, how successful has that attempt been during this pandemic? To make you nostalgic, we have an activity planned for you. Over to you, Maitri.
थैंक यू सो मच मनाली. तो आप वंडर कर ही रहे होगे कि ये घड़ी क्यों है. सो डोंट वरी, ये वो घड़ी डिटर्जेंट वाली घड़ी नहीं है, ये कुछ और घड़ी है. सो आई हैड अ प्लान्ड एक्टिविटी फॉर यू गाइस जिसका है नाम जैम. तो ये वो ब्रेड बटर वाला जैम नहीं है, दिस इज जस्ट अ मिनट जैम. सो आई विल बी स्पिनिंग अ व्हील जिसमें वर्ड्स लिखे होंगे, एंड जहां पे निडल रुक जाएगी, यू गाइस हैव टू जस्ट टॉक फॉर अ मिनट अबाउट द टॉपिक. ओके, Grace, are you ready for the activity?
I'm ready.
Okay. So Grace, can you see my screen?
I can. And we would want you all to pay attention because she'll be picking volunteers and you need to know what to do.
Oh yes, definitely, I'll do that. So Grace, I'll be spinning the wheel now. Your word is meditation. You have a minute to talk about this topic.
Wow, meditation is such a nice topic. I want to say that I have never actually done meditation because I'm not that disciplined. But then, truth be told, it brings back a lot of memories because it was a compulsory thing we had to do in schools, and that time school was offline. So being offline, being with your friends, doing meditation, it reminds me of how we never really did meditation, but opened our eyes and passed notes or talked to our friends. And I really miss those memories. And that is what comes to my mind when I think about meditation. And I long to go back to those days.
Definitely, Grace. Thank you so much for being the first volunteer. It was amazing. Like, it's actually important. I can really feel you because friends are the most important element in our life. So definitely, yes, I can relate to whatever you said, right? Thank you so much, Grace. So now, Rohan Ranjan, can you come forward, please? It's okay, just unmute yourself.
Yes, Madhuri.
Thank you so much. Yeah, so I'll be spinning the wheel and you have like 1 minute to talk about the word.
Okay.
Your word is COVID pandemic. So go forward and talk about it.
I think everyone by now is aware of the COVID, which has stopped the world, and each one of us has to live in the home. So COVID basically teaches us many things. Like it also shows how important our family and friends are who really care about self, and how should we treat the environment. And apart from that, it also shows that being a human, it does not mean that you can do anything. We have to respect the nature and other living beings surround us. And also apart from that, I want to say that it's yet not over, and people should get vaccinated, and keep keep your sanitizer always with you, and stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rohan. That was really insightful. Like, obviously, we all have to take vaccinations and then go out with our friends and enjoy time with our friends. Thank you so much. So, Shubham Majitia, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. Over.
Thank you. So, I'll be spinning the wheel and then you can answer like you can talk for a minute. Oh, your word is happy memories and you have a minute to talk about it.
This is wonderful word, I think, because happy memories, which right now is the COVID, right? So we have been, I think, pre-COVID, so we have a lot of memories because of lockdown. So we miss our school life, our graduation life. So I think we have made a memory what we have did in the school days, or we have made the going to picnic with our friends, doing parties with them, many of these things, our birthday parties. So I think this would be a happy memory for our life. That's it.
Definitely. This is something, like everybody can relate to this point. And yeah, I mean, like this activity is something when, you can relate to your friends. Thank you so much for those amazing answers you guys have given, because definitely we relate to all these things. So after this activities, आप सबको तो इतना तो समझ ही गया होगा कि importance क्या है friendship का अपनी जिंदगी में, और हाँ, pandemic में भी definitely. तो अभी तक इतने जर्नी हो गई है कि आपको इतना तो समझ गया होगा कि वी डोंट बिलीव इन गिविंग ज्ञान और एनी थ्योरी और एनी लेक्चर, बट हम तो सिर्फ एक ही चीज मान के चलते हैं भैया कि अगर पढ़ोगे और लिखोगे तो आप बनोगे खराब, खेलोगे और कूदोगे तो बनोगे नवाब. Guys, don't worry, I'm just joking. मैं तो मजाक कर रही थी. It's just a joke. So the next element, or talking about jokes, Monica in Friends said that camera adds 10 pounds. तो देखते हैं आपके कैमरे कितने pounds add करते हैं. For this element, I would like to call Megha. तो आपको समझ ही जाएगा कि मैं किस बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. Over to you, Megha.
That was a really, really fun activity, Maitri. Choosing the best, an activity to show you the best of peer pressure. Simple game. I want everyone to come on the camera. It's okay, you can keep yourself unmute. I just want everyone on the camera. I'm going to ask you all a question. If you have done that activity, please stay on the camera. If you haven't, just keep it on or keep it off for the rest of the activity. I'm going to repeat. Keep your camera on if you have done the activity. If you haven't, please turn it off for the rest of the activity. Am I clear? Okay. So the first question is, have you appreciated your colleague even if you didn't like their work? You didn't like the work and you have still appreciated your colleague. A lot of screens I can see on. Okay. Second question. Have you ever chatted with a friend pretending to pay attention during an online meeting or a lecture? I can see people coming on camera now. That's wonderful. Have you joined your friend for some stupid or some very embarrassing thing? All of you. Next question. Have you encouraged your friend to participate in any event which will develop their skill? That's great. Great. Last question. Have you ever corrected your friend if they have engaged in unhealthy or improper practices? Fantastic. Fantastic, guys. You can turn off your cameras. I'm sure these questions have helped you to understand that friends help you to discover the real you. And this is what self-awareness is all about. It gives you power. We might not always like what we see, but there's a comfort in knowing ourselves. Your peers help you discover yourself and become more self-aware. And you can also consciously spread positivity through peer group and help others to resist negative peer pressure. जैसे नदी के दो किनारे होते हैं, वैसे डेवलपमेंट के दो जरिए होते हैं. Either you help your peers or your peers are going to help you, which you can do through 5 questions. peer pressure positivity के अलग अलग रूप देखने के लिए allow us to walk you through them.
So let's move to the questions. The first question is physical question. इसको देखते हैं एक कहावत के जरिए से. मोटापा, कलर, लंबाई और सुंदरता इसका कोई मोल नहीं. उदास मत होना कभी दूसरों की बातों से, क्योंकि दुनिया में तुम्हारे जैसा कोई नहीं. क्यों भगवान ने हमें बनाया है और इसका कोई तोल नहीं. चलो खुशी से और आगे बढ़ो, तो क्योंकि तुम्हारे माँ पापा के लिए तुम सा कोई अनमोल नहीं. ऐसे दोस्त बनाओ जिससे दिल से दोस्ती हो और वो रहे तुम्हारे साथ चाहे कोई हो ना हो. दूर रहो नेगेटिव चीजों से, क्योंकि याद रखना तुम सा कोई और नहीं. अपने हर फ्रेंड को ये बात याद दिलाओ कि हम जैसे हैं वैसे ही बहुत सुंदर है. ब्यूटी डजंट लाई इन द फिजिकलिटी, इट लाइज एट व्हाट यू आर एंड हु यू आर. और कोई अगर आपकी बॉडी शेमिंग कर रहा है तो वो हु है. नेक्स्ट spiritual question will be explained by Aishwarya. Over to you, Aishwarya.
Thank you, Mahima. It hurts, we know. Your pain, we understand. You may even believe that you are all alone, but it isn't all bad. Let me tell you a short story about God and his devotee to understand this better. On one beautiful night, a devotee, एक भक्त अपने भगवान की पूजा करके सोने चला गया. It was cold and a cold night of a winter season, and he was sleeping deep. उससे एक बहुत ही stunning सपना आया. क्या था सपना? उसके सपने में भगवान आए. He dreamt that he was walking along a beautiful beach in the company of his loving God. He kept moving and watching the different stages of his life, the good times and the bad ones. जब तक वो end तक पहुंचा, he looked back and noticed किया कि there are two sets of footprints on the sand. एक तो उसके खुद के थे और दूसरे भगवान के. But all of a sudden, he noticed that at many parts of his life, especially at the very lowest and saddest, there was only one set of footprint. इस बात ने उसे परेशान कर दिया. वो सोचने लगा कि भगवान तो मेरे साथ नहीं थे, मैं अकेला चल रहा था. उसने भगवान से पूछा, God, you said once I decided to follow you, you'd always walk with me. But I noticed that during the times when I needed you the most, you were not there. I don't understand. When I needed you the most, why were you not there for me? God laughed, and after some time, he whispered, my child, my precious child, मेरे प्यारे बच्चे, I love you and never left you. When you were fine and healthy, I walked beside you. That is why you saw another set of footprint. But when you were low, you were facing problems, I held you and walked. I was protecting you. So from this story, we can learn that you are his children and he's got you. Life is meant to be lived and lived to the fullest, so that everything he meant you to be may one day come true. अपने हर फ्रेंड को याद दिलाओ कि वो है. भगवान के घर देर है, अंधेर नहीं. Now, I would like to ask Maitri to walk you through another emotional question.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya. So, emotional question को देख के मुझे एक गाना याद आ रहा है. Sure, can I sing it, guys?
Of course.
Yes. Thank you. किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार में हूं ना, देख लो इधर तो एक बार मैं हूं ना, खामोश क्यों हो जो मैं कहना है कहो, दिल चाहे जितना प्यार उतना मांग लो. हाँ, तुमको मिलेगा इतना प्यार मैं हूं ना, किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार मैं हूं ना. सो गाइस, कभी भी अगर आपके दोस्त को या आपके किसी भी फैमिली मेंबर को अगर गलती से थोड़ा सा इमोशनल या थोड़ा लो फील हो रहा होगा तो ये गाना गा देना, ठीक है. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट मेंटल क्वेश्चन, लेट मी कॉल मोहना.
हम पागल नहीं है भैया, हमारा दिमाग खराब है. ऐसे अतरंगी चीजें करना तो हमारा काम है। सबको एक साथ लेके चलना ही हमारा अंदाज है। एक दूसरे के साथ सहारा बनके ही दोस्तों की पहचान है। When our friends is suffering or family is suffering from mental stress, हम ये गाना गा के उनको cheer up कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए है, लकी बताएगी आपको सोशल क्वेश्चन क्या होता है।
थैंक यू मोहना। समाज एक बड़ा हिस्सा है पीयर प्रेशर के प्रकोप का। हम जो देखते हैं वो सीखते हैं, और ये है एक सच्चाई इस लोक का। माँ पापा के संस्कार ने कभी नहीं सिखाया लोभ, लालच, ईर्ष्या और बनने किसी और सा। हमेशा यही सिखाया, रहो अच्छी संगत में और ना बनो किसी और सा। खुद में रहो और खुद के लिए जियो, ना सोचो किसी और का। पढ़ो लिखो एंजॉय करो, क्योंकि ये जिंदगी तुम्हारी है, इसे ना कंपेयर करो किसी और सा। अपने हर फ्रेंड को ये पॉजिटिविटी दो, अपने सोशल ग्रुप को इतना मजबूत बनाओ कि आपके दोस्त के आंख से एक बूंद भी आंसू आए तो आप सब उसे थाम दो।
वाह लकी, दैट वाज अमेजिंग, मजा आ गया। आई एम श्योर आप सबको भी बहुत मजा आया होगा। ड्यूरिंग पैंडेमिक टाइम्स मेंटल हेल्थ हैज बीन dwindling. The best antidote for us, the youngsters, is having good peers. जो सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया पे फ्रेंड्स नहीं है, बट रियल लाइफ में भी फ्रेंड्स हैं। बिकॉज ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। Now we have learned how peer pressure can play a role in each and every quotient of your lives. From all the activities and real life examples we have seen today, we can gather the peer pressure is not always negative, because it can help you to choose the right path for yourself if you choose the right company. So add these things to your schedule. Start your search for good peers and try to explore yourself. Take time out for your peers, as you never know when they might need you. From here on, let us commit to spread positivity, support, encouragement for our peers as a responsible peer.
We did our bit and lived up to of the peer, for the peer, and by the peer. And I must say, we did it well.
We, the responsible peers, are very proud students of ICFI Business School of Mumbai.
Maitri, you're on mute.
We have been able to design, deliver, and devise an interactive, impactful, and of course, an interactive peer pressure positivity workshop that you all witnessed today.
We are so happy that Punjabi Chamber of Commerce gave us the global platform of one of its most vibrant arms, the Global Youth Squad.
But how could we ever know about the Global Youth Squad? Was there someone who brought the two together? Was there someone who opened this opportunity for us on this platform and to bloom our potential?
Yes, of course, there was someone, none other than our own faculty, our own mentor, the common factor, the thread between the two dynamic organizations, IBS Mumbai, the well-known business school, and Punjabi Chamber of Commerce, the global networking platform.
We are in full gratitude when we say that Dr. Pooja Vijay Shukija was not a sage on the stage, but she was a guide on our side, always there for us 24/7.
We, as responsible peers, thank IBS Mumbai, the Punjabi Chamber of Commerce, and Dr. Pooja Sukheja ma'am.
We now hand over the baton to Khushbu Srivastav, who is an integral and invaluable member of the Global Youth Squad, who took this forward on 12 Jan 2021 to give a formal vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya. So with this, I would like to take the opportunity to thank our wonderful speaker, Dr. Pooja Sukheja ma'am, for delivering such a wonderful session. I hope the audience must have gained a lot of knowledge and experience. Also, I would like to thank the whole IBS Mumbai team. Maitre Erolkar, Manali Ganatra, Grace Mary, Nidhi Chheda, Lucky Kumari, Mohana Patil, Megha Porwal, Aishwarya Soni, Nidhi Agarwal, and Mahima Parekh. You all have done a great efforts for the webinar. Without you all, it wouldn't be successful today. And a great thanks to the entire team of PCC for their extended support. Last but not the least, to all the participants and the viewers for making this workshop interactive and interesting. Do join us with registering on www.punjabichamber.com to experience such exciting workshops in future for free. Thank you all.